Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here. Throat's a little messed up, so it's pardon for that. I wanted to show you today something from Nextland. If you shop on Nexty and look at ferro rods, odds are you would have seen this. It's that one there. Normally you see it, I think the way they advertise it is just a rod like this. So you might have seen it just like that. But I've seen it so many times now, which is probably the reason why I bought it. I think I paid nearly £12 for it. I just trying to buy something a bit different, and from fire stuff strikers are usually something like this, which I bought from Born Survivor Supplies. But this one, I think because you could scrape it and then your hands protected from the sparks and stuff, but it's supposed to be always sharp. So I want to see the sharpness today and test it out on a few different things. Alright, this is brand new, first time using it. You can see here I never touched it. Okay, so if it works, great. If it doesn't work, then this is my rod. You always see this one. This is my Überleben Hexi rod. So first time using it, hopefully this works. I found a shady spot so you actually can see the sparks because it's quite sunny today, but yeah, it seems to be throwing alright. Let's compare that to what I usually use. Alright, I think, let me just try this one as well. Yeah, this one I like as well, these two. So this one's a little bit thicker from Born Survival Supplies. Zoom in a little bit. And this one's nice as well. Mainly because how long it is. So let's just try this without this bit of leather here. Yep, and it's thick enough where it's not gonna bend. It's no pry bar, but I'll try to find some stats and put them on the screen for you. Alright, let's try to light some stuff that my spare fire kit. Well, I might as well show you my spare fire kit anyway while we're here. So this is just a 2-roll, and if you're a YouTuber and you like fires, something like this, you can color code them upon which stuff you do, depending upon how OCD you are, and write down what's in each one, like chalk cloth, fat wood, or whatever you want to do. But let's just have a look to see. We'll burn that one, and maybe a wax stick, maybe. That's this one. Got pine pitch, fire piston, I got some random bits in this one. That'll probably be good enough. Alright, so first bit up is just a bit of birch bark. It's a little bit. Feels wet, but it shouldn't. But alright, so I'm just going to do it the way they have it, like this. Okay. Probably more of a tinder problem than. There we go. Yeah, that's more of a tinder issue than anything else, but it does light, and you can see it throws sparks pretty well. I'll get rid of that right now. Okay. Alright, let's try one of these wax thingies. I can't remember where I got them from. I think someone sent them to me. But so, just gonna fluff this up a little bit. Probably be just better to do it like this. Alright. So there's the inside. Let's test this one out. So we're looking at more of the sparks than the tinder itself, because this isn't a tinder review, and the wind's really taking these anyway. Alright, so that was lit. See why the stuff is spare tinder. Alright, let's just fluff this up a bit more then. Alright, that's better. There we go. Okay, so I just needed a bit more fluffing. Okay. Alright. Well, again, we're looking at the sparks, not the tinder. Let me get rid of this one. And then I think this is an old fire plug. This looks like it's been through the mill. We know how much these are easy to light up. So I'll probably just need that. Okay, I'll use the whole thing. Right. So I mean, I knew I was gonna light up. Again, Procamptek, great stuff. Just want to add this bit in there to see if it scratches magnesium. That's another thing I'm trying to get into. Not the best day for it. You see it's going to blow away, but the point is that it's not only scratching it off, but it's also kind of like curling it. Little pigtails. Yeah, this isn't the day for it, but end of the day, it does scrape off, okay? So, quick review of this. Again, ignore the tinder not lighting. You're focusing on the sparks coming from this. So, does this work? Yes. Price-wise, could be cheaper. You know, but for what it is, it's a good thing. I mean, if you use the whole side of it, so see how much is not used of that. Probably only use about up to here on it. So, maybe some paracord around that so you can hold it, get a bit more of it. But the sheath is nice too, because if the amount of sparks I was throwing, it would have gotten a bit warmer, you know, that's nice too. But you know, it is what it is. But so if you see this in ST, I look around for just stuff to buy, to review, that's budget friendly, also promote small companies. I did pay for this, it wasn't free. But yeah, I mean, it works, it says what it does. So it is what it is, kind of thing. Let me know what you think in the comment section. The other thing I would have said was, if this was a glow-in-the-dark bead, which is not, that would have been handy, because you've dropped a ferro rod, you know, at least, you know, something else a bit to look at. Just another 2 bits I just thrown in there. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Again, this is the Nextland ferro rod striker. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you next video. Bye.